Kim Soo-hyun's agency has released their statement refuting Garo Sero Institute's claims and also confirming he dated Kim Se-ron but only when she was an adult. Gold medalist released a series of statements today. They wrote, "We have previously shared that a statement will be shared next week with concrete evidence to refute the claims made in their reports." However, Kim Soo-hyun showed sudden instability in his psychological health early this morning, so we are taking measures to make sure he is in complete stability. He has been suffering through extreme confusion and chaos due to Garo Sero Institute's claims that he was responsible for Kim Se-ron's sudden death. In addition, after their live broadcast ended on March 12, people in cars with cameras were waiting in the company's parking lot and across the building's main entrance. Also around lunchtime on March 13, people holding cameras were loitering around the building, adding to the psychological pressure placed on Kim Soo-hyun. Please understand that we have released this urgent statement to reveal the truth on major issues. Even though this is different from our original plan, nothing else has priority over this, so we are sharing this statement even though there may still be some loose ends. Kim Soo-hyun and Kim Se-ron were dating between the summer of 2019 and fall of 2020. After she became an adult, it is not true that Kim Soo-hyun dated her when she was a minor. Kim Se-ron's photo that she uploaded on March 24, 2024 on her Instagram story and the photo that Garo Sero Institute shared were private images taken by the two in the winter of 2020 when they were dating. The clothes Kim Se-ron was wearing at the time were released in June 2019 by the brand, so Garo Sero Institute's claim that the photo was taken in 2016 when Kim Se-ron was a minor is impossible. In addition, another photo shared by Garo Sero Institute was a photo taken by the two on Christmas Eve, December 24, 2019. This can be confirmed through the picture's metadata. The photo released on March 13 was taken on the same day, as seen from the fact that they are wearing the same clothes. All of the photos being shared by Garo Sero Institute with the claim that Kim Soo-hyun dated Kim Se-ron when she was a minor were taken after she became an adult. Their claim that these photos were taken in 2016 have no grounds. This is because the two were not dating at that time. Kim Soo-hyun's letter to Kim Se-ron while he was in the military was just one of the letters he sent to his close friends. As you could see from the contents of the letter, Kim Soo-hyun was adjusting to the military lifestyle and used the letter to let his close friends know about his daily life in the military. The expression "I miss you" is a light-hearted expression used by soldiers to their close friends. However, Garo Sero Institute is claiming that the two had been dating since 2015, using photos that were taken after Kim Se-ron was an adult and claiming they were from when she was a minor. They used the postcard sent to Kim Se-ron after the two were dating to strengthen their claim that the military letter was also a love letter. Kim Se-ron's nickname Saeron, that she used publicly since 2016, was made to seem like it was a nickname that only the two used between each other. There is a lot of criticism being directed towards Kim Soo-hyun regarding their relationship. Even if a relationship between two adults is a private matter, it is natural to expect Kim Soo-hyun's life as a person who is loved by many will be within the public sphere. If there is criticism to be had, then he should accept it seriously and it should sting even more. However, due to Garo Sero Institute's report, a plethora of false claims and misinformation is spreading as if they are true. The informant who appeared on their broadcast and made numerous false claims stated they were part of Kim Se-ron's family, but according to one media outlet, she is actually just an acquaintance of Kim Se-ron's mother. They are distorting reality and creating rumors based on a few photos and information from an informant whose identity cannot even be confirmed. The fact that the extremely personal private lives of two people are being forcibly revealed by others, and the fact that both Kim Soo-hyun and the deceased Kim Se-ron are having their private lives discussed alongside numerous rumors and speculative reports, is extremely painful for Kim Soo-hyun and those around both him and Kim Se-ron. After the private lives of the two were revealed by Garo Sero Institute, we believe that the varied public opinions on his choices are unavoidable, but the past when two consenting adults dated and broke up are being distorted by others and countless lies are still being spread. It is incredibly painful for one person to endure all of this due to their private life. Also, digging into the private life of the deceased is an act of defaming their honor. At the beginning of 2024, during an accounting audit, the agency had to decide how to handle its claims against Kim Se-ron. Legal and accounting firms advised that if the agency wrote off the debt without any collection efforts, it could be seen as an unjustified exemption, potentially harming the company and leading to legal issues for its executives. Therefore, it was necessary to demonstrate that she was in a state of unrecoverable financial distress. To establish this, the agency sent a formal notice to her. This was not an attempt to pressure her for repayment but a procedural step to confirm that the debt was officially being written off. Additionally, if her debt was forgiven, there was a risk that she would have to pay a gift tax on the amount waived. The message she sent to Kim Soo-hyun on March 19, 2024, regarding her financial situation must be understood in this context. The financial dispute was strictly between gold medalist and Kimsaeron. The notion that Kim Soo-hyun personally lent her money or pressured her for repayment is baseless. He never loaned her any money, nor did he demand repayment as he was never in such a position. At the time, she had left the agency and lacked sufficient legal knowledge regarding her debt. This led her to reach out to Kim Soo-hyun, who was not involved in the matter. By then, the two had been separated for 4 years. Upon receiving her message, he inquired about the situation with gold medalist. The agency advised him that since she might not have had full legal understanding of the issue, he should avoid responding without expert consultation. The agency reassured him that they would handle the matter professionally to prevent misunderstandings. Later, in March 2024, her legal representative expressed appreciation for the agency's past support and acknowledged her responsibility to settle the damages. She proposed discussions to confirm the exact amount she owed and plan a repayment strategy. As a result, the financial dispute between gold medalist and Kimsaeron was resolved, and the agency never demanded repayment after writing off the debt. From her perspective, it is likely that she believed she was completely freed from her financial obligations to gold medalist. Therefore, linking her passing, which occurred a year later, to this financial matter is an extreme and unfounded speculation. Gold medalist made every effort to support her, even foregoing repayment while ensuring she would not incur additional tax liabilities. The agency also set the interest and late fees on the debt at 0%. The suggestion that this process was an attempt to pressure her for repayment is a deliberate distortion of the facts. To falsely portray this as the cause of her passing a year later is deeply distressing and malicious. On the other hand, the Garo Saeron Institute teased a new live stream, and it once again had an unseen photo of Kim Soo-hyun and Kimsaeron together. After the release, netizens have started to collect past pictures of Soo-hyun where he was seen wearing the same cap in 2015. As gold medalist said that the t-shirt Saeron was wearing in the pictures was released after 2019. Netizens found out that the t-shirt was released in 2014, but it was re-released in China in 2019. In particular, netizens agreed that the biggest evidence was the text messages sent by Kimsaeron where she confirmed herself when the photo was taken. Moreover, after hundreds of complaints made by netizens to Prada demanding to remove Kim Soo-hyun as their brand ambassador, Prada released a statement and said, "We would like to inform you that after considering the severity of the issue, our collaboration with Kim Soo-hyun has been mutually concluded and the contract has been terminated." This decision came from headquarters. Not only this, but after Korean netizens demanded from other brands to remove Kim Soo-hyun from ads, his physical ads were removed from various spots all across South Korea.